Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can search with photo in Bing, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bing app and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bing apps on the screen, where you can see the search bar at the middle of the screen, and at the right side of the search bar you can see the camera. So you simply need to click on that logo, and now you'll be redirected to the another section where you can take your photos or you can upload as well. So yeah, you can also choose lots of the option as well, and yeah, this is how you can search with photo in Bing. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.